My name is Atuko Emimah. I come from Bukedea District, Abilaipe Parish, Kamturu Sub-County. Ever since I joined the Gudie, I learned about business compliance. I learned more about the benefits of business compliance and how to register a business. I learned about savings. Saving is a way of saving money for future use. Amidst that, I learned about investment and also social investment and the things that you need when you're starting up a business or when you're registering a business. You should need members, saving accounts, registration. You need to get a registration fee when you're going up to register a business, LOC1 letter, passport photo, and also you need to select leaders in your business group, and you need to know the personal information so that the money you're saving will be safe. And also in our farm, we learned about objectives and activities that carried out in poultry. Objectives like training of younger youth, and also inputs like drinkers, feeders, chicks. Those are the inputs. Then the outputs: structure, electricity, water. I learned again the activities carried out in poultry, like brooding, stocking. Right now I'm in my farm practicing how to breed, starting to construct a brooder, how to protect the birds in the brooder. You need to clean the feeders and the drinkers so that when you're feeding them, they will not die. And also use the briquettes well as you're carrying out breeding. You need to keep out records from day one up to day last. You keep out the records of your chicks so that you will not forget the records. And that one is also very, very important in a farm. The steps you consider when starting the business: you first know how to keep records. First of all, you keep records. Then next, you should know how to construct a poultry house. Then another one, you should know how to carry out stocking. And another one is breeding. And also, when you're feeding chicks, you should know the rules and regulations. You should know the type of feeds you're giving out to the chicks, and also the chicks that are 1 day to 14 days, you give them their feeds according to their age.